The SB-09R is a high-speed, perfect binder designed primarily for high-mix, medium-volume production. The SB-09R performs milling, spine and side gluing, and nipping with a maximum output of 4,000 cycles per hour. Integrate the SB-09R in line with our gatherer and 3-knife trimmer to create a CABS 4000R system. The exterior and control panel of the SB-09R have been completely overhauled, improving operation visibility and user-friendliness. Simply enter the finished size on the enlarged 15-inch control panel and the changeover is carried out automatically. Or instead, use the optional size input interface for book blocks and cover sheets to achieve more intuitive and precise setups. Removable covers provide easy access to the inside for maintenance and cleaning. Turn the SB-09R into a CABS system by connecting our gatherer and 3-knife trimmer in line to achieve single-pass book production. The SB-09R can also be turned into a roll-fed smart binding system that can change over automatically for book runs of differing thicknesses. Furthermore, integration with iCE Link allows you to monitor and manage all connected systems on the cloud. Equipped with 9 clamps, the SB-09R achieves up to 4,000 cycles per hour while ensuring binding quality with inspection points at each section. This system ejects faulty books automatically without stopping production to reduce machine downtime and increase productivity. Perform a changeover via the control panel or size input device. Book blocks can be transported from a gatherer automatically as a system or hand-fed by an operator when used as a standalone or for special jobs. Book blocks are jogged and fed into carriage clamps. An improved transport path enables smoother transportation to the clamps. Book block spines are milled, then glue is applied to the spines and sides. The direction of milling chip extraction can be customized to fit the customer's needs. Switching between EVA and PUR glue is easily done by changing the tank. Cover sheets are attached and nipped to the book blocks. Flap cover feeding is possible depending on the model. New LED lights in the gluing and nipping sections allow for easy quality checking. Finally, books are gently laid down and delivered by the optional vertical twisting conveyor LD09TR without damaging the spine, even for PUR-bound books. When connected to a 3-knife trimmer, books can be stacked and transported via conveyor for maximum efficiency.